Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to quickly show you what is market status. So again on the left side, if you look at the broker info, there is something called market status. And in this, we will again have to make sure that the URL is correct. So the URL is https://api-t1.fyers.in/data/market status. And then you will have to put in the authorization again your app ID / your access token. And once you run it, this is the kind of result that you will get at the bottom. So I have purposely making this video at 3:26, which is very close to the closing, so that I can show you what market status means. So if you come here right in the documentation, it will show you what are the attributes that we will get. So we will get the current market status of all the exchanges and their segments. Essentially, you can get different exchanges here, so you can click on the details and we have these segments which are essentially your capital markets, which you have your equity derivatives, you have currency derivatives, so basically NSE exchange, your BSE exchange and the MCX, and for all of them you have different segments. So as you can see here, we have different segments, which is your capital markets, equity derivatives, currency derivatives, commodity derivatives, and similarly for BSE, and we have the MCX. And for that, this is how they have coded it internally, the exchange code and the segment code. So now we have a fair understanding. Let's go here and you can see here that if we talk about exchange 10, segment 10, it is saying call_auction2. So what does that mean? If you see here, the market type is either normal, odd lot, call auction2 or auction. So as you know, especially in equity, there is something called an auction market. So this is currently auction 2, which is starting. The status is closed right now. Again, you can see in 10,10, it's again closed. That means these two markets have been closed. But if you talk about the normal market, it is currently open. It is currently open, as you can see here. So for each segment and each exchange, you are getting the value that which segment is open and which segment is closed. So that is how you can use this information. Now, how would you use it? Usually, let's say you want to do a strategy and you want to ensure that you are the first person to take a trade when the odd lot market opens up or when the auction market opens up. So you can keep querying this information, and once you get the results, then you can do your trading. So that's how you can actually use this information. The idea is for different exchange and segment pair, it is telling us which market is open or closed, and based on which we can do our analysis. So as I said, it is going to be a small video. So I hope this is clear. Thanks for joining. I will see you in the next video.